Closing market comments for the week of May the 10th. Markets were strong last week for the whole part and then sold off a little yesterday. Rainfall over the Midwest over the weekend put pressure on the markets yesterday with some profit taking happening because of that. But the markets rebounded today and we did see things come back off with corn on the day up 10 cents, soybeans up 27, and wheat up 11 cents. So a little better day. We do have their crop report out tomorrow. We will include some numbers of what the estimates are for the report. On the weekly crop condition report, they came out with corn planting at 67%. That compares to 46% a week ago, 55% or 65% a year ago, and 52% average. So well above average. In the state breakdowns, Indiana is 46% planted, up 14. Ohio up 27%, up 5. Illinois is up 20% at 74. Michigan up 17 at 46. Iowa up 17 at 86. Minnesota up 25 at 85. Wisconsin up 22 at 49. Nebraska up 29 at 71. South Dakota up 41% for the week at 66, and North Dakota up 22 at 36%. So a good amount of progress, especially in the western states. Corn emerged was at 20% for the week. It's up from 8% a week ago, 22% last year, and 19% average. So about on target with normal. A little surprised it's that good with all the cold weather. Soybean planting progress came out at 42%. That's up from 24% a week ago, 36% last year, and 22% average. So 20 points above average on soybean plantings. In Indiana, we're 36% up 12. Ohio at 20% up 3. Illinois at 57% up 16, Iowa at 67% up 24, Minnesota at 65% up 42% for the week, Nebraska up 27 at 47, South Dakota 32 up 24%, and North Dakota up 15% at 17% planted. So good progress on the bean planting again in the western states more so than the east. Soybeans emerged were 10%. There was no report last week. 6% last year and 4% on average. And we go to the USDA report that's going to be out tomorrow at noon. Estimates for the report right now are soybean carryout for 2021 at 118 million bushels. That's down from 120 in April. And the first estimate for next year at 133, so not much increase from where we are. The corn estimate is 1.275 billion bushels. That's down from 1.352 in April. And the first estimate for next year at 1.327 million or billion bushels. Wheat estimate at 850 million. That's down from 852. I'd be surprised if that number isn't a little higher with the lack of exports that we're seeing and the probability that we're going to cancel some exports. And the wheat exports or the wheat carryout for next year at 751. So a little bit surprising there that it's down 100 million almost from this year. I do think they're projecting that we're going to see a big amount of wheat feeding as we go into the coming year because of the high price of corn. A lot of talk of it already, especially in the western states. Other parts of the report tomorrow, they're having the bean crop in Brazil at 136 estimate. Argentine soybeans at 46.9. Those are both a little bigger than the last time. And on the corn, Brazil at 103.2, that's down from 109, but we did see Dr. Cordonier come out today at 97. Argentina corn at 47, that's unchanged from a month ago. So we'll see how those numbers come out in the report, and we thank you for watching. We'll give you a report tomorrow after the report comes out. Thanks.